of a man called O.P. Nair. And I had to put it all together in 1200 pages. Then I reduced it to 400 pages. And now I am to reduce him to 10 minutes. It's like trying to put an elephant in a sand-trap. You know, how do you do it? It's so difficult. But anyway, I will try, and I will try to put whatever little comes to my mind. I'm not reading a speech, I'm just speaking from the top of my head. O.P. Nair was a friend of mine, though we had, he's about my father's age, but he was a very dear friend of mine, and we enjoyed a great rapport between us. He had this teasing, approach to me, which I always love, and that probably comes in his songs, which are called Masti songs. There are a lot of Masti songs, Chhed-Chhad songs. He had that temperament. He was a genius, and genius everywhere in the world will never fit into society's needs. Society has a certain norm. Genius never fits into that norm, because genius breaks free. Genius breaks all the rules. Only then can he really express what is inside of him. He was a person who did not follow society's norms, and he paid the price for it very dearly. He paid a very heavy price for following his own path and being his own man. He was a man who was completely unfettered, and he often was intolerant. He was often very difficult to get along with, but one of the finest, nicest, most loving human beings I have ever met in my life. There are so many things impossible about genius, and we have to learn to come to terms with it. They cannot change because it is something inborn. Now, when he was a friend of mine, he was this kind of person, extremely generous. If he had 10,000 rupees, he wouldn't think that what will I do day after tomorrow if I spend it today. He never thought about it. 10,000 rupees, let's go and blow it. Let's go and have a blast. Kal kisne dekha hai? That was his approach. And somehow it would all sort of happen that even though he had blown the money, from somewhere the money would arrive. So he had a very charmed life. He was like, sometimes I felt he was the chosen one. He had this gift for music, which was totally inborn in him. He could create a melody in 10 or 15 minutes. The songs we are listening to today, which were created in the 50s, he could create those songs in 15 minutes. This is 2013, and we are still talking about Kajra Mohabbat Wala. We are still talking about Tareef Karu Kya Uski. We are still talking about Hai Duniya Usi Ki or Deewana Hua Badal. He could do this in 15 minutes, but he would say, उनको बताना नहीं है प्रोड्यूसर को. उनको बताएंगे तो बोलेंगे फिर इसका इतना पैसे कैसे देंगे, वो 5 मिनट में बनाते हैं गाना, तो ये तो हम उनको पैसा नहीं दे सकते. तो उनको आराम से बताएंगे, अभी नहीं बताना है, आराम से उनको बताएंगे 1-2 महीने के बाद कि हाँ मेलोडी बन गई. बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ा था, लेकिन अब बन गई. तो ये उनका था. He knew how to play this game because this was the game of commerce, and he knew he had to get the highest price, and he got it. And in his heyday, when he asked for a price, he got it because people went to a O.P. Nair movie. When they went to a Joy Mukherjee movie, yes. Asha Parekh, yes. O.P. Nair का म्यूजिक है, अरे वो तो मिस नहीं करना है यार, बहुत मजा आएगा. क्या हम लोग मजा करेंगे, फुट टैपिंग म्यूजिक होगा. So it was that kind of a draw. But apart from him as a human being, as a friend, he was an excellent colleague as well.